All right, so now that we've got our channel properties set up the way that we want them to be, we've cleared our analog and digital inputs off of our display screen. Let's spend a little bit of time looking at the spike traces of interest. So let's start streaming our data again. We've got our LFP and our single unit data. So now I want to look at the data on a larger time scale. I'm also going to spread it out a little bit. Now we're looking at the LFPs as well as the single units. We need a little bit more space in between. All right, great, good to go. So we want to look at the different options for the different time scales where we can look at our data. And I also want to look at the data closer to full screen. So I'll hit the little triangle to pop our map information off the screen. But I am going to leave my control panel open because I want to be able to access that. So the default time window for a given spike trace begins as 5 seconds. So this is 5 seconds worth of data. Now we have the ability to go down as low as 0.1 milliseconds worth of data on the screen at a time, or we can go as long as a full minute's worth of data on the screen at a time, depending on your experiment and what you're looking for. We've got some flexibility in here. Now suppose you wanted to look at a really short time window, say 1/10 of a second, and it's really difficult to see individual units. I mean, you can see them in here, but it's moving so quickly that it's difficult to mentally process where everything is. So we have an option called Snapshot Stream that if you click on it, it pauses the action and you can see what the units look like, and you can return the stream and keep it going. When you pause the stream, it only pauses what's on this display. As you'll note, if you can hear it, the activity is still going on. It's still streaming through. And if we were saving, it would continue to save in the background, so that when we return to stream, you return to live action, and your recording is uncut.